Hello Virgos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and let's see what's in store for you, what are the messages for you, and as these are general energies, so won't be resonating with each and every one of you. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what are the messages for Virgos. Okay, so we have the Page of Pentacles, the Ace of Swords, the Nine of Wands, the Eight of Cups, the Ace of Wands, the Four of Wands, the Ten of Wands, the Queen of Cups, the Five of Swords, and the Emperor. King of Wands, all are good cards. So, see, Virgos, what I feel here is that you've taken a small step towards a new beginning. Okay, you've started something new. You started something new, but somehow you've been working hard on it, and you're not getting the results, whatever it was. Okay, so you chose to move in a particular direction, and you felt it was right, and maybe it is right, but it is requiring perhaps a lot of effort and a lot of time, and it is not yielding you the results. You feel as if you're not getting the output of how much you're investing, something like that, and you decide to let it go. You decide to leave it. That's what I feel. Okay, since you are not getting the results, or you're not getting the output of whatever you are doing, you decide to let it go towards something more you feel passionate about. So it can be that you felt, it's like you felt logically or practically, on the practical grounds, you thought, okay, this is good for me, I should be doing it. Your mind said so. Even if you liked it or you didn't like it, you did it, or you were doing it. But the thing is, you're not liking it. It's not, or you're not able to put in the required efforts, or it's like you're not happy with it. Okay, you're not happy with the way it's coming up, perhaps, or the way it's shaping up, or the way it is giving you the rewards. Okay, so you are somehow not happy, and perhaps you did it for the sake of on practical grounds. Okay, this is right to me practically, so I should be doing it. It can be that also. Okay, but then what I feel is, once you decide to let it go and you are moving here with it towards this something which you are finding more passionate. Okay, so this is something which you thought, okay, practically, ideally, this is no right. No, my brain says this, and after weighing all the pros and cons, and that logical head governed type of a decision it was, and you did it, but it didn't work out anyway. So you decide to leave it towards something which is more passionate, about which you are more passionate, you're feeling more passion about. Okay, and once you are able to do that, you realize that you feel you get the stability, you get the commitment, you get the longevity over here. So here it is giving you that fruitful result or the positive outcome. And once you are able to follow your passion, whatever your passion says, obviously you are feeling content and happy, whatever it is, and you feel really unburdened. You feel, okay, now I'm feeling good, I'm feeling happy, I'm content. That is the energy over here. Okay, you are feeling unburdened also. since what I feel is, since you are feeling rewarded now here, since you are getting that stability, that long term, that happiness, you're getting everything what you wanted or you are wanting, you feel really unburdened. Okay, and now what I feel, then we have the Queen of Cups, the Five of Swords, and the Emperor. So somehow what I feel is, what I am getting here is that is something regarding your emotional discontent. Still, you're following your passion, everything is fine, but there is still something which is lacking within, some emotional which is related to your emotions, either some emotional satisfaction on some front, maybe on this front or some other front, I don't know. There is some conflict as far as your emotional contentment is concerned. That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting. Maybe you are passionate about it, but maybe it's the same thing, or it can be some other sphere of your life, but there is something in your life which is which you're not happy about, and it is related to your emotional, maybe you're not emotionally satisfied. Okay, it's something like that, and which is causing a conflict in yourself. You're conflicted about your emotional aspect. Okay, there is something which is tearing you up, that your emotional thing is not very very grounded and stable. That's what I feel. It's like you have everything, but there is still some sort of discontentment as far as your emotional level is concerned. It can be because of the fact that the person or the situation you are dealing with, the other person is more bossy, more dominating. It can be that maybe somebody likes to have their own way. Maybe this person is adamant, stubborn, whatever or the situation is there is something in your life which is because of the fact that the other rigidness of the other party of the, it can be a person or a situation, because of the rigidness, or it can be because of the domination of the person. There is something regarding your emotional aspect which still seems to be conflicted to me, which you need to really take care of or address. Let's see what are the additional messages here. Yes, we have the Ace of Clubs here, the Strength card. So you're really dealing with something with a lot of strength. So what I feel here, it seems to be your emotional discontentment. In spite of having everything, there's something which you are still lacking. Six of Abundance is the guidance from the angels. Heaven opens its loving arms and pours abundance onto you. An unexpected gift is on the way. Accept it with gratitude and humility, knowing that you will have a chance to return the generosity by giving to the others in future. Consider volunteering for a charitable organization. So maybe this is what it is with the Ace of Wands which you're moving towards, and the Four of Wands seems to be the abundance which is coming your way. So Virgos, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.